Have you ever heard about the face pull exercise? No? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into a world where fitness and science meet. The face pull exercise, despite its somewhat intimidating name, is a powerhouse workout that targets key muscles in your upper body. This gem of an exercise primarily works your posterior deltoids, the muscles in the back of your shoulders, the rhomboids, which are nestled between your shoulder blades, and your trapezius muscles, the large muscles that span your neck, shoulders, and upper back. So how does one perform a face pull exercise, you ask? Picture yourself standing in front of a cable machine at your local gym. Hold the ropes in each hand, palms facing each other. Now pull the ropes towards your face, keeping your elbows above your wrists and your hands at ear level. As you pull, squeeze your shoulder blades together. That's 1 rep. Remember, it's not about the weight you pull, but the technique you use. Quality over quantity is the key here. And what's the payoff, you wonder? Besides sculpting a chiseled upper body, the face pull exercise improves your posture and strengthens your back. It can even alleviate that pesky shoulder and neck pain that comes from hunching over your computer all day. In summary, the face pull exercise is a goldmine for upper body strength and posture. It targets the posterior deltoids, rhomboids, and trapezius muscles. The key to reaping the benefits of this exercise is maintaining proper form. Pull the ropes towards your face, keep your elbows above your wrists, and squeeze your shoulder blades together. So there you have it, the face pull exercise in a nutshell. Give it a go and embrace the journey to a stronger, better you.